Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a digital poster on Canva. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to canva.com, go to the website, and when you open Canva you'll have to register on the platform. On the website you register so that you can be able to access its features. You can as well use it as a free user or a pro user. So for this video I'm going to show you how to create a digital poster using Canva. Now Canva is a platform where you can create your videos, you can edit your videos, you can edit your pictures, you can create presentations, create posters, you can create social media posts, logos, you can design so many things, and it has a lot of templates and tools that you can work with. So for this tutorial I'm going to be making a poster. Now Canva has thousands of templates that you can actually work with, and for this tutorial I'm going to be working on a poster. I'm going to be creating a poster, and then you come here to search for poster, and now it's going to give you other related search. You can create different type of poster. It depends on the type of poster you are creating. So you can see it says infographic poster, A4 poster, poster landscape, black, red and white, modern, high jump spot. So you can create all types of posters, any type of poster on the Canva platform. So you click on poster, and then it's going to give you some templates that you can work with. Okay, now you can see Canva templates says 20,000. There are a lot of templates that you can work with on the Canva platform. So these are different templates that you are going to work with and you can work with. For this tutorial I'm going to be creating a flyer, a poster for a company poster for we are hiring. We are hiring poster. So you can work with these templates. You can choose from any of these templates and work with it, but if not, you can also create your design from scratch using the blank box. Using this blank box right here, you can work with this using the blank box. So I'm going to be working using the blank box. Okay, so here we are. Here is my blank box. So I'm just going to zoom into it a little. I'm going to increase the size a little. Okay, so I'm going to be working on this space, on this blank space. Okay, so here are other designs like I mentioned earlier that you can work with. Okay, so I'm going to be working on this blank space. So first thing, you click on it. So I'm going to set the color of this blank space. So I'm going to use the yellow background. Now you can as well edit the yellow background, make it lighter or darker depending on what you want. So you can see, can bring it down here to change the color totally. So I'm just going to make mine a bit dark. Okay, so that being done, I'm going to, now we have some tools, vital tools that we are going to work with here. You have the elements, you have the text, you have the brand, you have the upload, you have tools, you have so many things that you can work with here. So I'm going to input an element, and under the element you have shapes, you have graphics, you can generate your own image, you have stickers, you have photos, you have videos that you can actually work with. You have so many tools. So here I'm going to be imputing a shape. So I'm going to go to shapes. I'm going to search for shapes. Now we go to graphics. So here I'm going to look for any shape that I can use to edit my poster. Okay, I can go with this shape right here. Okay, this is my shape here. So I'm going to increase it and take it up a bit upward. I can decide to also change the color. I'm going to make it big, and then I'm taking it up. Very good. Okay, this is it. So I can decide to change the color. If you want to change the color, you just click on it and come this way, and then you can change it to your desired color. So I'm going to change it to red. I'm changing this to red so we can see exactly. Here we are, and move it down a bit. Okay, so we have our color ready. So I'm going to include text. I'm going to impute text. Come to text. So I'm going to create a "we are hiring" poster. We are. Okay, I'm going to leave this a bit smaller, and then I'm going to move it up here. You can decide to increase the size or reduce it. I'm just going to reduce it and remove the bold. Okay, so I'm going to write hiring. Here. So I'm going to leave this up here. We are hiring. So the next thing, I'm going to impute other elements like speaker. So you come here and you search for speaker. So we are going to impute the speaker. Moving it down a little bit. You can as well increase or reduce the size. So I'm going to bring it here. And then we're going to write the positions. You can say accountant, manager, and secretary. So when this is done, you can edit it, reduce the, make it bold. Okay, so these are the positions. You can also add more text, like the website. For the website, I'm just going to use realty.com. So and bring it down here. Beauty.com. That's the website. You can just add a little apply here. Reduce it. Bring it down. Make it centralized. Okay. So we're just going to add a little bit of sparkles just to okay, so I'm going to add an element sparkle. Just look for some sparkles, go to graphics, and then okay, we can add this, move it this way, can rotate it towards this direction and reduce the size. Can just increase the size a little. Exactly. So you can increase the size of this speaker, and we are good to go. With this, you'll be able to create a professional logo. So you can, let's bring this down a little. Exactly. And here we are. A poster, a professional poster is ready. All you need to do, you can add more things as you so wish. Then when you are done creating your poster, you click on share, you come to download, you click on download, and then you download it. So here we are, our poster is ready. So that is it for how to create a professional poster or flyer. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, please do not forget, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will always be the first to know when we upload new video. Until I see you again in my next video, and then it is bye for now. Goodbye.